Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use WordPress locally. Developing WordPress on your own computer offers incredible flexibility and speed. You can experiment with themes and plugins without affecting a live site, saving you time and potential headaches. It's a fantastic way to learn, test new features, or build a site from scratch before deploying it to the web. We'll cover everything you need to get started, making the process straightforward and enjoyable. To begin, you'll need a local server environment. Popular choices include XAMPP, MAMP for Mac users, or the user-friendly Local by WP Engine. These tools bundle Apache, MySQL, and PHP, which are crucial for WordPress to function. After downloading, follow the installation instructions for your operating system. Once installed, make sure to start the Apache web server and MySQL database services. These are the backbone of your local WordPress site. Now let's get WordPress installed. First, download the most recent version of WordPress from WordPress.org. Next, open phpMyAdmin, usually accessible through your local server's control panel, and create a new, empty database for your site. Then, extract the downloaded WordPress files into your local server's web directory, often named htdocs or www. Finally, navigate to your local WordPress URL in your browser to complete the famous 5-minute installation process. With WordPress now running locally, you have a powerful development sandbox. Feel free to install and test various themes and plugins, experiment with custom code, and build your site exactly as you envision it. This local setup provides a safe space to make mistakes and learn without consequences. When your site is perfect, you can easily migrate it to a live web server, making your work accessible to the world. Enjoy your local WordPress journey.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.